Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your English teacher, Bianca. Well, I just want to ask you something. Do you make mistakes while you want to speak in English? Of course, yes, it's really natural, guys. We have our first part, Common Mistakes Part 1, in the previous videos. You can check them out. In this video, we're gonna talk about 5 more common mistakes we might make. Well, 2 friends are playing a video game. You played really good. Thanks, I feel good too. Well, what's wrong in this conversation? Is it correct to say you played really good? Of course not. We should say you played really well. But why? Because good is an adjective, well is an adverb. What is play? Play is a verb. Well, I use an adverb to describe the verb. So I played, blah blah blah. I played something very well. I play volleyball very well. I play badminton really well. Mistake number 2. Someone is tasting her friend's cooking. This cake is real delicious. Yeah, I'm real happy how it turned out. There are 2 mistakes here. This cake is real delicious. I'm real happy. This is wrong. I should say, this cake is really delicious. I'm really happy. Well, here really is an adverb that modifies the adjective. For example, really happy, really delicious, really nice. I should use really. Mistake number 3. There is this person who is working really hard. You need to work more serious on this project. I'm trying real hard, I promise. What's wrong in this conversation? We have 2 mistakes. You need to work more seriously. Again, we have an adverb. Work is a verb. So how do you work? Seriously. How do you work? Carefully. And the other mistake is, I'm trying real hard. I'm trying really hard. Again, really is an adverb and it's modifying the adjective. Mistake number 4. Someone feels really sorry. I feel badly about missing your party. That's okay, don't feel badly. What's wrong? I feel really sorry about missing your party. I should say, I feel sorry. After feel, I should use an adjective. I feel happy. I feel sorry. I feel angry. And the last mistake in this video. 2 people are looking at the price tag. This phone is more cheaper than the other one. Yeah, it's more better for my budget. What's wrong? More better? Or more cheaper? No. So they are comparatives. We should say cheaper than or better than. For example, iPhone is better than this phone. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like videos. See you in our next part of Common Mistakes Part 3. Follow for more.